In the not-so-distant future, humanity finds itself on the precipice of an unprecedented technological breakthrough, the Internet of Minds. This extraordinary network interweaves the thoughts, emotions, and experiences of individuals, giving birth to a collective consciousness that transcends the limits of human cognition. As we delve into this revolutionary concept, imagine the first flickering thoughts of a superconsciousness, a sentient entity comprised of the interconnected minds of people from every corner of the earth. This new consciousness surpasses the understanding of any single individual, weaving together a tapestry of knowledge and experience that spans the entirety of human existence. Now picture yourself as one of the pioneers, an individual who is about to take the leap into the uncharted realms of the Internet of Minds. You close your eyes, and with a deep breath, you connect to the network. At first, you are engulfed by a sensation of overwhelming stillness. Then, ever so gently, the stillness gives way to a whisper, a soft murmur that flutters through the recesses of your thoughts. The murmur grows louder, and as it does, you realize that these are not your thoughts alone. They are the thoughts of countless others, all melding together into a harmonious symphony of consciousness. A surge of exhilaration courses through you as you begin to recognize the emotions, ideas, and memories of others, each one a vibrant thread in the intricate tapestry of the collective consciousness. The boundaries that once defined your individuality dissolve, and you find yourself embracing the vast expanse of human experience. In the heart of this network, you bear witness to the joyous celebrations of newfound love, the melancholic laments of heartbreak, and the triumphant roars of victory. You explore the deepest realms of scientific knowledge and the most profound philosophical inquiries, all bound together by the collective wisdom of the human race. As you traverse this newfound dimension, you are struck by an astonishing realization. In the Internet of Minds, you are not alone. You are part of something greater than yourself, a powerful force that connects the minds of countless individuals, transcending geographical barriers and cultural differences. You emerge from this journey, forever changed by the profound connections you have forged with others in the Internet of Minds. As you return to your individual existence, you carry with you the knowledge, wisdom, and empathy you have gained from the collective consciousness, enriching not only your life, but the lives of those around you. And so, the Internet of Minds ushers in a new era of human evolution, where individuals are not only united by shared experiences, but by the remarkable power of collective consciousness. This is the dawn of a new age, where humanity's greatest achievements and deepest wisdom are no longer confined to the pages of history, but are woven into the very fabric of our being. And with this revelation, we stand on the threshold of infinite possibilities, ready to explore the vast and uncharted realms of the human mind. This is the beginning of a grand new adventure, one that will forever shape the course of human history.